You want to play, but your pooch's breath keeps you away, and their teeth can get so dirty, even rotten. But brushing is always a struggle. Until now, introducing Brushbone, the breakthrough oral care dog bone that brushes your dog's teeth while they chew. It's that easy. Now your pooch's teeth can go from dirty to sparkly clean, all from just chewing. This unique bone is made of 2 pieces that fit together for triple action cleaning. With every chew, special tooth-shaped slots scrape off plaque, while on the inside, hundreds of cleansing nodules scrub your dog's teeth, all while the nubs on the outside massage their gums with every bite. Plus, Brushbone features 2 special compartments where you can add snacks. Use any favorite treat like peanut butter or cheese. You can even fill it with doggy toothpaste. They'll make your dog want to chew, and the more they chew, the cleaner their teeth and breath will be. Take a look at this Brushbone oral health transformation. Now your dog can go from dingy to dazzling just by chewing.
Your dog can live a long life with good oral health. That's why it's so important to brush their teeth, and Brushbone makes that easy. I highly recommend this product.
Brushbone is durable, built to last. It's perfect for any size dog, from pups to seniors. It's BPA-free and it's even dishwasher safe.
I can't believe the difference in his teeth. This bone, it really works.
Brushbone can give your dog whiter teeth, fresh breath, and better overall health. And now brushing their teeth is as easy as throwing them a Brushbone, the only dog toothbrush with built-in treat chambers, so your dog will love to chew and brush their teeth too.